Hi everyone, welcome to Ecorporate Trainings, your trusted platform for career-focused online learning. Are you ready to start your coding journey? Introducing our basic Python programming course, perfect for beginners and non-programmers. Python is one of the most in-demand programming languages today, simple to learn, powerful to use, and widely used in web development, data science, automation, AI, and more. What you'll learn. This course covers Introduction to Python, Python basics, operators and expressions, control flow, data structures in Python, functions and modules, exception handling, introduction to object-oriented programming, introduction to Python libraries, basic project and practice. Who can join? Anyone. Whether you're a student, working professional, this course is designed for you. At Ecorporate, we combine hands-on training with real-world projects and expert-led instruction to help you master every step of the learning process. Upon completion, you'll earn a certificate that demonstrates your skills and readiness for the industry. Ready to take your skills to the next level? Join Ecorporate Trainings and start your journey today. Visit www.ecorporatetrainings.com to learn more.